time you come to my country, Papua here. So I have a question about your explanation about how to sustainable development in Papua and also all of the world. The question is, we have a mangrove area in Orange Bari and Papua Coastal region located in Orange Bari. Maybe you have seen there. And I think we have problem in a mangrove area because so many rubbish, especially plastic. So I have only one question. Do you have method how to protect our mangrove area by the plastic or by rubbish? Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy and proud to be here, and I visit your province already the fourth time. And I was very lucky to visit Orange Bari mangrove forest with the Obati Bupati. Yeah, and I am hurting my feet because we go through bare feet. Yeah, so there is one very important point. When the tuna fish, the fish from the sea, 1 to 4 times a year, it goes into the mangrove to get mated, yeah, for babies, to get young generation, and then go back. It means when there is no mangrove, there is more or less no fish in the sea. That is why mangrove is so important for the fish and also for the coast protections. See Banda Aceh, the only places safe from the tsunami were the mangrove areas. Only also destroyed a little bit, but not too much. So mangrove is very important. And to keep the mangrove clean is first that every visitor who visits the mangrove is taking the water bottle back home and not throwing it away. That is number one. So I have to take the water bottle, the empty one, put in my pocket, bring home. The second, the village around the mangrove area need a system, and a simple system, to discharge all the plastic and all the things and bring it somewhere where they can be neutralized, but not throw it in the sea. The third is international, because many countries, Indonesia is a country with a lot of sea, who throw the things everywhere. In the river, from the river yeah? And then if you would check where all the things come from, of course from Indonesia, but also, of course, from other countries of the vicinity, of neighboring countries. I don't want to name the neighboring countries because I don't want to have any problem, but you will see this, and finally it will end up at the coast. For example, in Raja Ampat. You go to Raja Ampat, very far island, very far. You go at the beach, you see a lot of these things which arrive from other places. Yeah? So, this is one thing. The second thing is, I know the Vietnamese government, the government of Vietnam, and we have one lady here from Vietnam, they had this big problem that all the beaches were full of waste. And then the communities came together by order from the federal government and had to clean up the beach. The school children had to do it, the students had to do it, the workers had to do it, the farmers had to do it, to clean up, and within 1 month, everything clean. Sorry to say.
Tadi saya tertarik dengan plastik ini. Belum lama ini, sekitar minggu yang lalu saya ketemu sama Profesor Manu Prakas, itu profesor dari Amerika, sangat terkenal sekali dari universitas di Stanford University, sangat terkenal. Nah, kita melakukan eksperimen di Bali. Apa yang kita lakukan? Kita lihat air laut di Bali. Kemudian kita analisa apa yang terjadi. Ternyata sampah plastik banyak dan di dalamnya itu mikroplastik, plastik yang udah hancur, banyak sekali jumlahnya. Nah itu kalau dimakan ikan lalu ikan yang dimakan kitanya akan kanker. Dan kita penyakit banyak sekali muncul dari situ, dari plastik itu. Dan itu merusak kesehatan. Jadi buang ini ke laut, ini hancur plastiknya dan akan merusak kita semua. Jadi mulai hari ini ingatkan, jangan ada yang buang plastik ke laut. Itu kita habis ikan-ikan kita semua. Kenapa? Makan plastik mereka cepat mati. Apalagi kalau ikannya dimakan sama kita. Wah, kitanya rusak semua. Nah, kita nggak bisa umur panjang nanti. Iya betul. Kalau kita mau umur panjang, jaga laut kita. Tadi yang disampaikan Profesor Waf itu betul sekali. Tolong jangan lempar ini ke laut. Itu aja sih tambahan saya. Ya.
Terima kasih, Bapak.